Week, I think, particularly different and special is, you have your UAS and drone mapping companies, you've got your traditional surveying companies, mobile systems. So it's a really great wide variety of specializations that you don't really get to see at any other kind of conference.
And I've been coming here for as long as the program has existed. It really creates that one-stop shop for all vendors, colleagues, and all stakeholders in the industry to be at one place.
My most favorite thing so far has been the introduction of all these technologies that they have here.
I don't know if I could pick one favorite thing I've seen so far on the show floor. I mean, it's just such a huge variety, things I hadn't considered, new opportunities to check out.
Being able to physically pick up the solution, point to something, talk about the features, benefits, the solution with the actual product here is a huge help, especially when you're having conversations with the customers and the people that are going to be using the equipment.
The quality of the speakers, they seem brilliant. Some of these people are, pretty amazing people.
Oh, the quality of information so far has been outstanding. These are experts in the field, and they talk about some of the new techniques and the new technologies that they're using.
I've learned so much about the digital twins. It seems it's now the new catchy technology that we have in the geospatial world.
In my company, I can take these tools back to the corporation, right? And educate people about the new tools, new technologies.
I've had a great experience this year so far. Lots of people to talk to, lots of new connections to make. That's always, I think, my favorite part about it.
So the people we'll meet at GeoWeek are really diverse. Actually, we're surprised. It's not only US companies we're talking to, it's actually from Europe, Asia. So a good convention for us.
GeoWeek has been instrumental in allowing me to network with new people and provides leads for our company.
I think it's definitely an event that I would recommend to attend every year because technology just continues to advance, that we have to stay up to date, right?
I think it's important to attend GeoWeek for two main reasons. Firstly is to meet people that do the same thing we work on the daily basis, and also to just know the new technologies that are available to us now, which changes very quickly every year.